students, welcome to our YouTube channel Logica Classes. Due to COVID-19 pandemic and national-wide lockdown, then ongoing CBSE has postponed the CBSE board exam 2020 and the result is likely to be delayed. So, CBSE does not want any barrier in the new academic session 2021. As per the announcement by the government, CBSE will have reduced the 30% syllabus for the students. 30% syllabus reduces. CBSE released notifications on 7th July on the official website. Authorities have announced that due to increasing case, the school are not able to open and start the session. So, this year officials have announced that the syllabus will be short down to lockdown, short due to the lockdown. Okay, now check it how many syllabus deleted in each chapter. First we talk about chapter first, real number. In real number, if we talk real number, in real number, in real number chapter first, Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma removed. If we talk about unit second, algebra, in polynomial chapter, state and simple problem, on division, algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients are removed. Okay. Now we talk about pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equation in two variables. In this chapter, by cross multiplication method, has been removed. Now we talk about quadratic equations. In quadratic equations, in this chapter, situational problems. In this chapter, situational problem based on quadratic equation related to day-to-day activities to be incorporated. Part is removed. In arithmetic progressions, in arithmetic progression related part is sum of the first n term of AP and their application. Sum of the first n term of AP and their application in solving daily life problems. Part is deleted. Now we check it unit third, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, deleted part is area of a triangle. In this chapter, deleted part is area of triangle. Area of triangle is deleted. In unit 4th geometry. In unit 4 geometry, this unit first chapter triangle. This chapter only two proof statement deleted. First, the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares, and second part is in a triangle of if square on side is equal to sum of squares, this part and this part will be deleted. in circle chapter. In circle chapter, no part is deleted. In circle chapter, no part is deleted. If we talk about construction, in this chapter, deleted part is construction of a triangle. Construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. This part will be removed. In unit 5, trigonometry, deleted part is motivate the ratio whichever defined 0 degree and 90 degree, and trigonometry identities chapter. If we find removed part is trigonometry ratios of complementary angles, this part is removed. In height and distance, no part will be removed. In unit 6, mensuration. Removed part is problems to central angle of 120 degree angle. This parts. And surface area and volume. In this chapter, if we talk about surface area and volume chapters, this chapters only deleted part is frustum of cone. Frustum of cone part is deleted. Frustum of cone. If we talk about unit 7th, statistics and probability, this chapter only deleted part is cumulative frequency graph and step deviation method. Step deviation method. Dear students, we wish continue to work hard and achieve your goals. Dear students, if this video is useful, so please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.